Hello, hi, it's me. And welcome back to another Quarantine Chronicles,
You're joking. Not another one?
where I document the things that I have done whilst I've been here in self-isolation for the past, I don't know how long. Today we're not baking, we're making pasta. Well, I'm gonna try it. I've never actually made fresh pasta. I've had fresh pasta before, but I've never made it. So that's what we're gonna do. A while ago I bought a pasta making kit from Pasta Evangelist. They're like a subscription service that sends you pasta, like it's all you need. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna do it. So I did it and I fell in love. It's so nice. It's like restaurant pasta but at home, which is perfect for a lockdown. But then I saw on the website that they also sell pasta making kits, and I was like, I like to try and make things, so that's what we're gonna do. But when you open the box, on top it says Buon appetito, which in Italian means hello. It doesn't, it means enjoy your food. So inside the box, which I'm gonna slide to the side, it has a bag of something. Polselli farina di grano tenero tipo. I probably pronounced that horribly and I'm sorry. But it's flour. Soft wheat flour. We've also got instructions, your pasta making kit instructions, Pasta Evangelists. You've got some salt. I could use these for my cookies. You've got this weapon, which I assume is to cut the shapes out in pasta. A rolling pin, because we're going old school. We've got this. Oh, that's a little bit S&M, you know, a little bit na, come on. I don't know what it is, it's like a paddle. Then we've got another rolling pin with grooves in it. Then we've got one of these little wheel mini pizza cuts. I know that you have this in leather work. That could be quite fun. Because you know I make shoes. If you didn't know, I make shoes. If you want me to make you a pair of shoes, give me money. We've got like an egg cup on a spring. I don't know what any of this is. That's it, so we can pop that box away. So apparently these are the tools you need to make pasta. Inside the instruction manual you get serves too. Oh, you do need extra ingredients. Oh, but it seems quite simple. I'm gonna mess this up. The only one I've got the ingredients to make is these two. What I'm going to make is tagliatelle or spaghetti. So, right, let's get started. These are the stuff you need to make spaghetti or tagliatelle. This serves 2 people. The ingredients are 2 medium eggs, 200 grams of doppio zero flour, which I assume is this, because why would they send it if it's not? It's got a 0 on it. We're gonna go with that. And sea salt. Weigh out 200 grams of flour. Empty the flour onto a wooden board. Oh, it's got to be wooden. And form into a volcano shape. Crack an egg in the crater. Whisk gently with a fork, slowly incorporating the sides of the flour until it looks like scrambled eggs. Whew. So you just kind of shake it out, don't you? I don't think you have to sift this flour or anything. Are you supposed to sift all flour? I don't know. 200. Only wooden board I've got is my chopping board. How do you make a volcano? This is very soft. Like this? I think I've made that hole too small. Like that? Start again. Like that? Is that right? No clue. Do you know what I've just noticed? The recipe calls for 2 eggs, but then on the instructions, it only mentions 1 egg. Oh, I'm gonna mess this up.
We didn't see that coming. We didn't. We didn't. If you're saying you saw it coming, you're lying.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Smart. I've never actually watched anyone make fresh pasta. I probably should have watched someone make fresh pasta before I did this. But this might make it more fun, you never know. Me being me, I really want to season it now. Is it supposed to pour out the volcano? Oh, it does look like scrambled egg, kind of. But what about all this stuff? Like, what happens with that? Oh! I think I'm doing this wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. Help! I'm just gonna crack the other egg and see what happens. Let's just give you a bit more flour. You know, is all the flour supposed to be incorporated? Because no offense, but how is 2 little tiny eggs gonna get all this flour? I mean, they're not tiny eggs, it said medium eggs, and I'm pretty sure these are large. Do you know what? There comes a time where you just gotta get your hands messy and dirty. And I think this time has come. Is it supposed to fall apart like this? It feels nice and soft. Oh, does it mean roll it in between my... Like to actually make it dough? Like... What about all this? It doesn't want to like mix. Shut up! I'm trying to cook. Is that right? Is all this supposed to be left on the board? Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make it and carry on, and then I'm going to go to the internet and watch someone that knows what they're doing actually make it. Roll, fold over, knead, repeat for 15 minutes, covering in cling film and leaving dough to chill for 30 minutes in the fridge. Does it mean roll with my... Roll, fold over, knead. Is this one knead? Repeat. No, I think it means roll as in roll it out.
Wrong!
I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna play with it for 15 minutes. It must mean roll, as in rolling pin roll. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I feel like I'm doing something right. I could be wrong though. Am I supposed... Oh! I don't think you're supposed to punch. I already feel like I've been doing this for 6 hours. I also think my dough is supposed to be bigger than this, like I'm supposed to have more. Like this seems quite small to me. I can. I was gonna say I can never take cling film off the thing, but I just did it. Okay, so it's covered in cling film. And I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge. Oh! My brother. Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes, starting now.
That's gonna sit in the fridge for 30 minutes and let it do its do. Then I'm going to take it out and do steps 6, 7 and 8. I'm already on step 5. Cut off piece of dough the size of dough balls. Whose dough balls? Keep flipping your dough over, flouring lightly each time. Rotate the dough 180 degrees and keep rolling until you can see your hand through it. Oh. It does feel softer. And just... so you can see your hand through it. I already can see my hand through it. Oh wait, that's because I've got a big bright light in front of me. Okay, so I'm going to put that there to the side and do the next one. Now, use your tagliatelle or spaghetti rolling pin to cut ribbons in dough. Allow your pasta to dry for 15 minutes before cooking for 3. Use this and I'm confused. So, oh! I may have ruined the first. Oh! What do you call this? Because I call it spaghetti. Okay, the first one's going to be not that good because I didn't know what I was doing. Oh, look at that. Didn't take too long, made a bit of a mess. It's wild though, this is where I started and this is where I ended. I feel like if you look, you can see I got better. Right, so now you leave it to dry for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna try spread them out. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Counting down.
The timer went off quite a bit ago saying that these are dry, the 15-minute timer. So in that time, what I decided to do was make a quick little tomato sauce, which is this here, bubbling away. I'm going to put these in the boiling water. I don't know if I can put it all in at once. I have to do it in sections, but to me this doesn't seem like a lot, personally. So I'm probably just going to chuck it all in. See what happens. And you need to cook it for 3 minutes and then we're done. And then I can plate it up and try it. And here we are, my cooked pasta. I have my random sauce that I made and just spoon that on in. Just put some cheddar on it. Oregano. And boom, we are done. I'm so proud of myself, guys. Let's just put a few things in it to make it, you know, to let people know no, get rid of you. Made it myself. Let's get a little bit more of this expensive flour on. I'm actually going to quickly use my camera to have a quick photo shoot and then we'll get back. Right, so let's give this a try. I hope it's not nasty. And this sauce ain't too bad either, to say I just chucked some stuff in a pot. I think a nice parmesan would be nice with this. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You should definitely try this out. If you want to get the stuff from Pasta Evangeliste, I will leave links to their website in the description along with a code. I think, if I've got one. Subscribe, like, comment below. Ciao.